Hello everyone and welcome back to the Diva and Arvo channel. My name is Arvo and today we are going to be not playing Roblox, but we're going to be creating on Roblox. That's right. That's what we'll be doing today. When are you going to clip that intro? That was a good intro. Right. Don't clip that. Okay, there's no need to clip anything. So, let's not waste any time. Bam. How clip I forgot. You don't need to know that. Don't worry about it. Here we are inside of the game. So, I'm just going to quickly show you everything I've made so far. So let's go and press play. Get right into it. So we join into the game. As you can see, we have our coins down here at the bottom. It scales nicely with depending on what size your screen is, so you can always see it. And here you can see coins up here at the top, 0, and our beautiful map here. Now if you walk up to these buttons here and you press on this, boom, we got a coin. Boom, we got a coin. Boom, we got a coin. Boom, 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 boom. We got a coin. So let's just quickly get ourselves 200 coins. I love the PNG money icon in low quality from the internet. It's the same one I use in my videos whenever I edit. Same exact one. And there we go, we got 200 coins. Now I'm going to walk over here to the beautiful gate. Boom, it's been unlocked and our coins have been taken. And then this is what we're going to be working on today. We got a different looking button here, and if you click on it you get 5 coins each time. Yeah, it's a pretty simple game, as you can see, but that's what we're going to be what we're working on today. There's nothing behind the waterfall, by the way. Just wanted to let you guys know. Alright, so from this, who can guess what the next area is going to be? Who can guess what this next area is going to be based on this? A clay area, a Minecraft area. Right, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to create a green part. Right, we got our part. Now we got to make it, well, first we have to make it into smooth plastic, of course. Then we have to anchor it. Then we need to get our person here. We're gonna make multiple different models for this, so it's not all the same. We need a bit of variation, okay? So we'll make it about that size, I think, or maybe we'll bring it down to about there. Yeah, I think that's better. So let's go ahead and make this green. So something like that should work, probably. Then we'll go, it's way too tall. We'll go something like this, and we'll go ahead and do this. So we'll bring this down. Guess we'll bring it in by 3 on each side. We need to make sure it's a square. That's not quite a square. That's a square, there we go. Then we'll bring that out slightly, just like this. Very nice, right? Beautiful. Maybe that's coming out a bit too much. What plugins do I use to build? I use 3D text here for like text like this. Very, very nice plugin. I use, what's this? I don't use that. I use this. I use gap fill sometimes. It's not the greatest for like optimization and stuff, but I use that sometimes. You see these fences? That was made with Path Creator. Oh. So let's say I'll put it here for now. If I press create path, I can place down some points, press complete, go fence, complete, and there we go. See? That's what that was made with. I'm gonna get rid of these because I don't need that. Why is the toolbox here? I don't want the toolbox. I want material manager, please. Never used that in my life. I don't use any of these. Load character. I use this all the time to get in here. And if I wanted to, I think no, that's not. No. But yeah, this is very cool. Very lovely. Lovely. And there's also Archimedes here, which sometimes I use for like paths and stuff. I don't use it for this. What I did use it for though is the edges of the around the water. I used Archimedes. It's a very nice plugin. I can bring it here, render all, boom, I got a circle, you see? Or I can, let's get rid of this. Or I can go like this, potentially. Render, and then I change the angle, I flip the axes, and then I go this way slightly, and then I flip the axes again, and then I make it slightly less angled, and then I can go something like that, and then I can increase the angle, flip the axes, and I can go like this, flip the axes again, just like this. Beautiful. Very nice. Amazing plugin right there. DMs, okay. Ooh. DMs. No. No. Absolutely not. That's not happening. No. Cool. So, let's continue here. Let's get out of Archimedes. We don't need that right now. What we need is we need to create this. This is what we need to make. So we'll get back to doing so. Something like that. That could be like our first model there. But of course, it's not perfect. Because we need, it's missing something. Why not? Because just no. Absolutely not. Let's just go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna put too many because I don't want it to start lagging and stuff, you know. But we'll make that black. We'll go ahead, place a few around. Something like that. Beautiful. That works. And then we'll go ahead and we will rotate. We'll move it out there. We'll go ahead and put it onto this side. And then we'll just do the same thing. We'll select this and then we'll copy paste. The easiest way of doing this. Something like that. Move it over. Very nice. Absolutely beautiful. Now we can go ahead and just put these onto here as well. You know what? I'll kind of get rid of that for now. So like that, we can do this a bit easier. And save a little bit of time. Right. So I'll just go ahead and copy and paste this as well. I'll do that. Move it to this side. Copy and paste. I'll do a bit of rotating. Maybe there's a bit too much on that. Get rid of some. Like so. And we'll grab this, copy and paste it over. Right there. Very nice, isn't it? It's beautiful. Beautiful looking cactus. So now that we've done that, it's all anchored, so that's good. I'm going to go and group it together. I'm going to call it cactus. Cactus 1. That is. Now if we go and play, let me get my auto clicker up. Just so I can do this. There we go. 200 coins. Have you implemented data stores yet? Do you think I can do that? No. I don't know how to do that. And I don't feel like doing it just yet. Are these cactuses too small? Mate, just add a dev button that gives you 100 to test. 100 each. You know what? Yeah, sure, I'll make a dev button. Let me just... I don't know what that was. Oh, okay. Let me just do this. A GUI. Nah. I'll do one of these. So just give me you. Give me you. Give me you. Give me you. I hate this new Explorer, mainly because sometimes it doesn't want to scroll. But that's fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab this. I'm going to make it like a blue color because I can. Then I'll create a part with the same exact color. Put it like this. This is the dev button. Make it smooth plastic. Bam, dev button. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'll just put it like right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. There we go. Press play. I didn't anchor that, did I? Did I anchor that? I don't remember if I did. Oh, okay, right. What's happening? Stop. Hello? What's going on? There. That was dumb. Very, very weird. Right, so if I just press this button, boom, I've got 9.9 billion. Easy. 9.9 billion, just like that. Which also means, let me just quickly change this. I'm going to change it to... Where is it? Plus 9.9 billion. There it is. The beautiful test button. Developer button right there. Very cool. Right. So this is our cactus one. Before we do anything, actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to create another folder. No, not inside of this one. Inside of this one. I'm gonna name it Area 2. Cool. That's all I really need for now. I'm gonna get the buttons. Buttons. Border parts. Use some floor parts as well. To keep everything nice and organized, you know? Keep everything nice and organized. Yeah. Gate pieces. And of course I'll also quickly make one for barriers, and then we'll add more if we need to later on. Path pieces, I think that's important. Path pieces. There we go. And one more cacti. There we go, cacti. Beautiful. Let me actually just move these over slightly to right there. Got one cactus. We need another. How are we gonna make another cactus? How should the cactus look? Actually, I lied. It's not done. It's missing some pieces. Now it's done. Cactus 1. Move it over to our... Oh, I need to get rid of the Area 1 folder. Cacti, right there. Do you think your game will go viral? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No. I don't think this game's gonna go viral at all. I mean, look at this. Do you think this would go viral? No, I don't think so. The gameplay is so simple. Literally, all it is you come in here, you press some buttons, you go through the gate, you press more buttons, you go through the next gate, you press more buttons, you go through the next gate, you press more buttons, you go through the next gate. That's what it is. How do you make the waterfall? Let me show you. So what you do is you come to the toolbox, then you type in cartoon waterfall. Right, you come and type in cartoon waterfall, and then you find the waterfall you'd like. Okay, you find what waterfall you want. So in this case, we'll go for okay, we'll change up the prompt here a bit. Cartoony waterfall. Oh yeah, so in this case we're gonna grab this one by Septensen, and we're gonna position it where we want to put it. So let's just go ahead and scale it down, and yeah, cool, that is in position. That's how. That's how we make the waterfall. Cool, right. And I'm not going to show you how to make these trees because they took a long time to make. Okay. Yeah. Right. Back to the cactus. How can we make another one of these cactus models? What I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab all of these pieces. Just like so. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. We're going to copy and paste it over here. We're going to move this out of Cactus 1. We got it all nicely in the workspace, allowing us to work with it a lot easier. Then, how much did I bring this in by? Was oh, no. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it was 3. Now that I'm doing this, I might as well just make it into the correct size here. Whoops. It's not what I wanted. There we go. Perfect. Nice. Hello, Olive Dela Cruz. Hello. Donut, you're on zone 197 of PetSim 99. I can still see your message. But on the live chat thing there. Why is it not in the correct place? Right. When Devo tried to stream, I don't know what he did, but it ruined quite a few things. I'm just gonna go move it back into position. Is everything okay? Absolutely okay. Never mind. I don't know what's going on here. Right. Let me. Nope. It's a bad idea. Your voice sounds different. Does it? I don't think so. Sounds fine to me. We'll just... Okay, no, I know why it's like that. It's for longer usernames. Okay, stop messing with it. No, but it just doesn't look right there. Doesn't look right like that. Move it there. There we go. That's better. Cool, right. So let's go ahead, put this into position. We'll put it like that. No. We'll put like one down here then actually. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go like this. There we go. Something like that. Yeah, I know. How about just... Okay, no, this looks trash. This looks absolute trash. We'll go like this instead. No, we won't. Right, you know what? Get rid of that. Here! This is what we're gonna do. We'll just have one cactus model. We'll have one of these. This time I'm just gonna resize constantly and rotate, I guess. That's what's gonna happen. Cool. Next, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to find a pyramid. Okay, not going to copy the pyramid. Okay, don't worry, not copying the pyramid. It's not what we do here. What I mean, not stealing a pyramid. I mean. Okay, so this is what a pyramid looks like if anyone didn't know. Okay, this is what a pyramid looks like, and we're just going to quickly get rid of the pyramid. This is kind of like the pyramid I made in Theme Park Tycoon 2. This is what my Theme Park Tycoon 2 pyramid somewhat looks like. Mine's a lot darker, but the pyramid we're actually going to use for the game is this one. This is the pyramid we're actually going to use. Not sure if any of you recognize this pyramid, but it's from Minecraft. It's from this lovely game called Minecraft, whatever. And in the middle here, as you can see, there's a hole, and usually you can fall down here and there's like a trap. So this is what we're going to be using. No, it's not. We're not using any free models over here. What we're actually going to be doing, so let me just quickly grab you and hold on. Excuse me, what do you think you're doing? There we go, that's a lot better. So I'm actually just going to grab you. I said I'm going to grab you, and you, please. And I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Move these out of the button model. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? I don't want it like that. I mean, not lined up the lines. Right, we are gonna go. You know what? We'll copy each corner. Go ahead and copy each corner of this thing. Like that. And now, this is a bit strange. and I forgot to move it into the workspace, which is annoying. It's now in the workspace, so we are far. It's not in the workspace. Why is it not in the workspace? I just moved it to the workspace. Right, scroll up please. Move it to the workspace. Thank you. It's in the workspace now. I have a good game you can play on one stream. Hello Alex Sonic. Welcome, welcome. What may that game be? Let me quickly go ahead and do that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It's beautiful. Lovely. So we got that. I'm actually gonna increase the size of this. We'll do something like that for here. Actually, I'll make it a bit bigger. Something like that, I'll say. The game is called Mini Cities 2. I've heard of that game. I might check it out at one point. Who knows? Maybe I might. We will see. Yes, I know it is indeed a good game. Right, I'll actually move that up one. Okay, maybe one more. Not too high now. Yes. Because like if I do this, no, I'll just do this, it's fine. Like I don't no. See, that's an issue. That's an issue right there. Can't really put it in the correct location. I can't put it in the right location. I've just put it in the right location. Right. Ignore everything I just said. We'll do that. Right. That's completely wrong. There we go. Move these over here into the right location, just like that. What's the grid thing on your mouse? Oh, that. When I drag things. Oh, so how you enable that is you go to File, you go to Beta Features, and it's somewhere in here. I can't be bothered to find it, but it's somewhere in here. Yeah, you can find it yourself. I'll copy this. Put it there. Just scale it to the correct size. Just something like this. Now this clearly isn't correct. At least not these two. There we go. So now I've done that. It's very nice, isn't it? Lovely. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna do the same thing again now. Pretty much what I'm gonna do here for a little bit. How tall should I make the pyramid, do you think? How tall should I make this? We'll see. Here we go. Bring that in. Bring that in. Just bring all the sides in. Grab the red circle. Put it to about there. There we go. That's our next layer complete. Then we're just going to do the same exact thing again. We're going to bring this up to there. We're going to move it this way. We're going to move it this way. Then we're going to do this. And this. And this. Okay guys, I think I know what our final layer is going to be. Or when we're going to get to our final layer, or how many layers we're going to do. I think I might have an idea on the answer to that question. What do you guys think? Do you think we've got a good idea for that question? What the answer would be? I think we do. So we'll just go like that. Now this looks really ugly. This looks really ugly. How? Oh my goodness. Okay, right. This looks ridiculously ugly. It's not even good. What am I doing here? Oh my gosh. How did I do this? I don't know how I did it. By first getting rid of all of what we've just done. That's how. And then bringing it all straight back. And then just getting rid of all of these. Getting rid of you. Getting rid of you. Okay, so that's what we've done here. So now what I'm going to do, hello Billy, welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to make this into a square, like this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do something a little bit like this. I'll move it over by about 3. I'll scale it up slightly. We'll go about like something like this. I don't know why I'm scaling it up actually. Why did I do that? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Whereas Devo, he's not here. He is not here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll just go ahead and grab this. And then we'll go 1, 2, 3. Then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to bring it over to this side. 1, 2, 3. Bring you here. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Grab you lot. Bring you here. Just like so. Bring you guys back here. Nice, we got a nice square. Is he on holiday? Yes. Yes. So we got a nice square. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do this bit. So I'll bring this along to there. I'll bring this along all the way there. Then to there. Then to there. Now this may look ugly because it's the same exact color. And that's why I'm just going to do this. Grab the color of that. Come over here. Paste that in. Bam, it's a different color. And there we go. Very, very nice. So, now what I'm going to do... See, last time I tried making a pyramid, didn't work out well. Mainly because I always did it like this. So there was always a little gap in between the layers, which of course is not that great. We don't really want any gaps in between the layers. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. No gaps in between the layers. Just like so. Now I have to find the perfect... Right. This is going to be annoying. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because now that's just not going to fit there, is it? It's not going to fit there. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. That just looks ugly. Let me try something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That just makes that cube. I don't know what I was thinking there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And of course that doesn't work either. Oh my god. Right. Maybe if I just 1, 2, 3, maybe if I just go like 1, 2, I'll bring it down by 2. 1, 2, 3. No. Well, that didn't really work at all. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bring it into the middle. And I'm gonna do this. No. No, that still doesn't work because these are not the same size. Right. We're going to just make a normal pyramid. I am making a normal pyramid. What, do you mean like this? No, that looks ugly. There's no detail in that. That looks ugly. Not doing that. Detail is important. Okay. So we're going to go ahead. And we're going to scale this up. Now, that's at 8.9. Right. So 8.9. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in between. So 8.9. We'll do some maths here. I don't know if this is even going to work. I don't know what I'm doing. 2.225. Okay. So instead of 8.9, we'll go 2.225. Then I'm going to come over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That clearly didn't work, did it? Because there's this massive gap here, and I don't think another one fits in there. Oh my goodness. Actually, I think what's happened here is it thinks that I want to fill up this entire space. Because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's what's happened here. So, what we're going to do... Don't do low poly then. I've already done all of this. Not restarting now. I'm not restarting now. Plus I prefer building in low poly than anything else. I'm better at it than anything else. Right, 2.225. And then we just need to make it so there's gaps of 3 in between. Right, how am I going to do this? Right. So 2.225, right? 2.225. If I do 2.225, then I'm able to fit 4 of them into the thing correctly. Like, exactly. I'm able to fit exactly 4 of these in there. But I don't want exactly 4 of them in here. You see? I don't want it to fill up all of this space. But I don't know how to... So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But then that doesn't work because this is going to be smaller if I do 1, 2, 3. So that doesn't work. And one side is always going to be more than the other. So if I do 1, 2, 3, we go 1, 2, 3. I go 1. I need to go. What? So that's 1 on those sides. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I need to go. That's 2. But one of these is going to have to be 1 smaller if I want there to be a gap of 3. Oh my gosh. And if I do this, which I've already tried before, if I do this, where I go to about there, and then I go ahead, scale it down by 1 or 2. That scales down the whole entire thing, which isn't going to work because it's just going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, the height is just going to keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller every time I scale it down. But this is our best option. Hello Dino, welcome to the live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is currently our best option to do this pyramid, but it's not going to work very well. Because as you can see, the height of this is much more than the height of this. You see? Not very good. I'm just going to keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller as we go up. And eventually it's going to get to the point where it doesn't even touch this corner bit anymore. You see? Yeah. I've already tried this. Hasn't worked very well. Boom. There we are. It's not touching that thing anymore. We've reached a point where it doesn't touch. Yes, Big Hermit, I do remember you. Hello, hello. I do indeed. Welcome to the live stream. So actually, I think we'll just have to do with this. This will have to do. This will be the max. Maximum height here. We can't even get it right. We can't even get the scaling right to be like this one. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's wrong thing. It's not gonna work. No. Just move the whole thing. Hello, Rajmi. No, I can't. There. So now I've sorted out that scaling thing, but then this isn't going to align properly either. And now that doesn't align properly. And then if I do that, that doesn't align properly. Look at that. Lovely, isn't it? And if I do that, I fix the problem. Okay. Ignore everything I just said, guys. Oh no, but then the issue persists with all of these, so I have to do it for every single one. To do it every single time. Which is annoying. Oh. Doo-doo-doo. What's happened there? Oh my gosh. Yeah, this will have to do. Not the greatest, but it's also not the worst. Exactly, Dino. Yes, yes, exactly. It is indeed a dome pyramid. Like, look. It's literally like a dome pyramid. What is this? Like, look at the height of this. Look at the height of this. It's curvy. It's curving at the top. Oh my gosh. Well, at least that's done, I guess. Dome pyramid. Dome pyramid. That's what I'm calling it. The dome pyramid. Do you think this would work as the border? I like go something like that. See? And I like rotate you. Make sure you're not poking out on that side. Oh my gosh. But now that bit there. But now it's also blocking the thing. Oh my god. I think this works. Hello, Mr. Pasta. Yeah, so this is absolutely not happening. Not using that as the border. Sorry, not sorry. Yeah. So I actually just want to go ahead and anchor that because I knew I didn't anchor it. Then I'm gonna press play. Then what I'm gonna do, turn on the select tool, walk past all these +1 buttons, press on this tester button, and become rich. I am rich. Look at that. I have 1 trillion coins. No errors either. There's not a single error. And I'm just gonna do this. Donut, do you think I know how to do that? And then we'll go like this. We're just gonna keep going. We're gonna become rich. We're gonna become the richest we possibly can be. Easy. Give you some coins, please. I can give you plenty of coins if you come here and press on this button. The tester button, the developer button. See? You know what, Donut? No. Maybe. No, maybe. No. No, maybe. Maybe. No. Maybe. This is... Let's exit. Let's exit the game. Can get rid of all of this. Close up all these folders. No need for them. Look how tidy. Look how tidy my Explorer is, just because I'm putting everything in folders. I can easily just close, open. Boom, I've opened that. There's some border parts in there. Gonna close those. And if I want, I can just select the whole thing, move the entire area. Which I'm not gonna do. You could at least name the individual parts I have. Name the individual parts. Well, not the barriers, but boom, we got the borders. We got the buttons. We got the fences. Okay, fences, they're not named. Floor, no, they're not named. Nope, they're not named. They're named. They're not named. They're not named. They're not named. They're named. Also, what's the point of naming them when they're already in their respective folders? So I know everything in this folder is going to be path pieces. Everything in this folder is going to be trees. Everything in this folder is going to be buttons. Absolutely everything in this folder it's going to be barriers, you know. What was I going to do? Oh yes, I was going to get rid of these folders. Then I was going to go into starter GUI, screen GUI, frame, text label, local script. This is what I was going to do. Let me actually review this script first. So, okay. So we're creating a function there. And whenever the value of the coins changes, we change the coins display, the text to say coins. And then we change the value here to a string. I believe that's what that does, right? I think that's what that does. Returns the provided value converted to a string, yes. And then the function ends. Then here, this is how we're going to get our player. Then we get the leader stat, which is player, and we wait for the child, the leader stat. So we look for the leader stat thing in the player. Yeah, I can't be bothered to like try and explain everything. I don't even know what's going on here. I'm not a good scripter at all. Yeah. So I think we would have to change something in the function here in order to make it display like million or billion on the leader stat itself. But I don't know how to do that. Because I don't want to put in every single abbreviation that it could possibly be, you know? Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. Nope, sorry, nope, not doing that right now. No thanks. What we need to do is we need to continue building. We've only got 47 minutes left. Right, let me see what Donut has sent me here. I need a money GUI that displays the amount of currency a player has from leader stats. Yeah, the thing is, I have no idea what the script is doing here that this person's written, so I'm not going to be using it. Yeah, no thanks. Because I actually want to understand what it's doing and how it works. I'm not going to do that. I'm not using that. No, the whole point of this is that I learn. Okay, I learn. What's going on here? I don't know what I'm doing. Right. Instead of building, do the main functions. The main functions are pretty much all done. You click the button and you unlock areas. Finished. So donuts. No. No. No, 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 no. Now I'm starting simple. And then, when I feel ready, I'm gonna start adding more and more stuff into the thing. Okay? So, what I'm gonna do is I've already got pretty much all the main functions. The only thing I really need to do is saving. And then it's done. So for now, I'm just gonna build. Build something I'm actually good at. You know? And then I'm gonna release the game into like early alpha stages or something, and then over time with updates I'm gonna add in different stuff into the game, like gems, rebirths, stuff like that, because I actually want to be able to I wanna release a game. I wanna actually release a game which I started working on. And then once I've released the game, I'm gonna do updates where I add in all those extra stuff. You know? Yes? Okay, cool. Right. So let's get to building. Yeah, let's get to building. Somehow. Should we get into building? Yeah, I think we should. Right, so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna grab this. Grab this. Grab you. Bam. 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 Grab these. Am I grabbing the right pieces? I don't think I am. I'll just grab the super light ones. Then these, no, do that. Make them like bright as they can be, which I think they already are, so I'm just gonna do that. Then I'm gonna grab all the darker pieces. I know I selected some incorrect ones there, but who cares? And then I'll just grab the rest of these. Oops. Oopsies. We're not going to talk about that. You saw nothing, okay? I did it perfectly. Okay, there's no issues or anything. There's not a singular issue right now. Anywhere. I'm definitely not just gonna quickly do this. Put that in there. Then I'm definitely not just gonna grab you. And I'm definitely not just gonna go like bam, 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 bam. Just put you there. And I'm definitely not gonna grab this. Just go poof, poof, poof. Undo that. Poof, no. Poof, 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 poof. Bam. It's beautiful. Now we can create our map. Really simple. It's not too difficult. But actually, before I do that, I'm going to do this. And now it's time to start working on the map. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a bit of rotation, move you to about there. It's not cheating, okay? Copy and pasting and then recoloring. I promise it's not cheating at all. It's called how to speed up the working stuff. How to speed up production, you know? The floor is green. Why? It's because I can't be bothered to recolor it right now. Because first, you know, okay, fine. If it's bothering you so much, bam, there you go. It's been recolored. You're welcome. Now I'm gonna press play. I'm gonna check this out. So. Grab the money. I think that's looking good so far. Of course, doesn't look as good as this just yet because it's not nowhere near done. But it will eventually look somewhat decent. You know what? I've got an idea. Right, the main button area. I have an idea. Let me just go ahead and do this. Remove you. Maybe wondering what I'm doing. I'll show you what I'm doing right now. We just put this into workspace. I probably should put all of these into workspace as well, because they're currently just in the floors folder, which we don't want. Then I'm going to go ahead and scale you down. A little bit like this. Beautiful. Hopefully I can make this work. We'll grab Archimedes. And we will... okay. Go like that. Flip the axes. And do something like that. We go ahead and scale this there. Right, we can get rid of this Archimedes now. Don't really need it. Goodbye, Archimedes. That should work. And now everybody, what I will do is I am going to do this. That's gonna be a small problem. I can already tell. I knew that would be a problem. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the move tool. Right. Why is that not working? Will that work? Yes, that works. Let me just do that again. No, 0.001. Like that. That's perfect. Now there's no glitching. You can barely even tell that there's a difference. 0.1. Whoops. I'd just like to go over here. Don't want to go too far that way. Go something like that. You're back from driving to Croatia. Welcome back, Dino. Welcome, welcome back. I am welcoming you back. Okay. I'm welcoming you back while still building. Time to work on DinoCraft Season 3. Enjoy. Enjoy doing that. There we go. So the floor is almost completed now. Absolutely wonderful. Bam. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do this. I need to grab the color of that. Beautiful. A bit of water. Can never go wrong with a little bit of water. And there we go. So that is our floor bits finished there. They look absolutely wonderful, don't they? Yes, they do. They look beautiful. Now I'm just going to go and select them all. Now I'm going to move them to Great! I love when that glitch happens. That's my favourite. Okay, there we go. Cool, so all of those should now be in the floor parts bit of area number 2. So if I come over here and I try to move them all, yep, the entire floor does indeed move up, so that's all good. Yeah, I think that's lovely. Hello there, how are you doing? Yeah, cool, so that's all done. So far this area looks nothing like this one, but that's fine for now. Good, how about you? I'm doing really good as well. Yes, I know you know me from real life, I know who you are. Right. Just noticed a little problem. Where am I going to place this? You know? Where am I going to place this guy? I think I'm going to place this guy here. I'm going to place you here. Into the corner. Like this. There we go. I need to place some cacti around. I'll do that a bit later, I think. And then the buttons are gonna go like here. You know? And there's gonna be like palm trees and stuff. Hello, Pickle Chores. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see how this looks if we run around in the actual game itself. So we're gonna go through all of this. Yes, Miss Flowey York. Yeah, I remember you. So we got our cactus, very nice. We got our nice pyramid, also very nice. And then we got our button here, which gives us money every time we press on it. And of course we have the beautiful little pond thing. Still looks nowhere near as good as this, but it's something. It is something. And that's all that matters. Anyway, I know it's 20 minutes earlier than usual, but I do think that will be where we'll end off today's video. Stream. We've made quite a few assets here which I'll be placing around a little bit later on to create this second area. We made a little pyramid. We already had these buttons made, and then we made some cactuses. We created some wall things. I don't know what to call them. Wall things. And yeah. So I think it's probably where we're going to end off today's live stream. So if you enjoyed, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you turn on the notifications, you all of that stuff. You join the Discord server. There's a link in the description down below. And I've also got a Roblox group, which if you'd like to join, you can. And yeah, it's pretty much everything. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video or live stream. I've already got a video recorded, just need to edit it. Sorry, not group, community, because they changed it. But yeah, that's gonna be where I'm gonna leave off today's stream. I've already got a video ready to edit. I'm gonna do that at some point. I'm gonna release it at some point. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone, and goodbye.